Want to use the same section line block with different section names? Here's how. First, type ATTD and press Enter. The attribute definition dialog box will open. Enter the tag, prompt, and default value. For this section line, I'll use X as the tag, section name as the prompt, and set the default value as 8. Click OK, and place the attribute inside the section marker. Next, select the complete section line along with the attribute text and create a block. Give the block a name. Select the base point. And click OK. Now whenever I insert the block, AutoCAD will ask me for the section name. I'll enter A and click OK. I can insert the same block again and enter B or any other section name. And if I want to change the section name value later, I can simply double-click on the block and change the value from here. So, instead of creating separate blocks, I can reuse the same block with different attribute values. Now let's use the same concept for a lift block. Again, type ATTDEF and press Enter. I'll enter lift_name as the tag. For the prompt, I'll enter lift name. And I'll set the default value as L1. Click OK. Place the attribute inside the lift. Now select the complete lift block, including the attribute, and create a block. Select the base point. I'll name it lift block. And click OK. Now when I insert the block, I can change the lift name to lift1. So, we can use the same block multiple times while keeping the attribute text different and editable. To edit the attribute later, simply double-click the block and change the value. Here, I can change lift1 to lift2 and click OK. And if I want to modify the attribute inside the block, I can select the block, right-click, and open the block editor. Here, I can select the attribute definition and edit its text. After making the required changes, close the block editor and save the changes. This makes attributes extremely useful for section markers, lift blocks, door tags, room numbers, and many other architectural elements. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials.